Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix Instagram story music no result found problem. Okay, let's start. At first go to your Play Store. And check update your Instagram account. Search Instagram. My Instagram is already updated. Now back. Click on settings. Now scroll down. Click on apps. Click on search bar. Click on Instagram. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Now back. Click on permissions. All permission is allowed. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now back. Open your Instagram account. Click on your story. Click on music. Click on search music. Instagram story music. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.